I have a bonus video for you today because I forgot about 5 additional products that are set to hit our website in December. So today's video is all about country, croc, and disco. You'll know what I mean in just a moment. So first up, we have a printed vinyl. This is called our Cowboy Country on a weave texture. We have brought this in quilting cotton as well, which is currently available on our website. The vinyl will be available later on this month. So this is going to be great paired with our mustard milled grain faux leather. Really pulls from the colors in the horse right here. Likewise, our Saddle Soft vinyl in the caramel color, or I should say the camel color, looks excellent with this. And you could also pair this with chocolate milled grain faux leather. So that's just going to give you a few inspiration ideas. We do have a striker who is making a bag with these fabrics, so you'll be able to get some inspiration on how our Cowboy Country looks on a handbag. Next, we have our Croc Heritage Collection. We brought this in 2 introductory colors just to see how we like it. And man, we are big fans of this Croc because it's lightweight. This is going to work on most domestic sewing machines. There's not a lot of weight or bulk to it. Definitely any semi-industrial or industrial is going to have no problem sewing through this. This is the color Chestnut. And here is the color Walnut. Next up, I am calling for all of my ladies who love a little bit of glitter and glam in their life. This is our Disco Grid vinyl. This is a lightweight vinyl, perfect for domestic sewing machines, as well as semi-industrial and industrial. I am moving this around so that way you can see the way that the light catches this. It's holographic, picks up a rainbow spectrum, and we are calling this particular one Disco Grid. And we have this in champagne as well. So this video now concludes the 39 new products that are set to hit our website at sewyours.com in December. I got to get to photographing all of these so I can work on getting them listed on the website. I hope you enjoyed everything that you saw. If there is anything that stands out to you, let me know in the comments which one you plan to add to your shopping cart when they're live. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.